What do you think, Miss Indy? Are you cleaner because of these plant-based pet wipes? Oh my goodness. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of these plant-based pet wipes. And as you can see, Indy has some nice clean paws right now. We're going to show you why in just a second. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. You want to tell them about it? So basically, we open them up. We get our nice little wipe out. They're a good size wipe. It's all folded together here, but these are definitely a good size wipe. And then you can clean your dirty dogs. Let me show you what we got off of Indy's paws. You are a very dirty girl, Indy. Why are you dirty? Is it because we're camping? Yeah, is it because you're camping? So we are camping. My dogs also have very dirty paws. I have another wipe here. You can see Memphis's dirt here, so see how clean it is? Let's see what Memphis thinks. I like these because they're fragrance free. They don't have a bunch of like weird smells and all that stuff to them. They're just a little bit of wiping. Let me actually do this with two hands and then I'll show you what it looks like. There's a before dirty paw. Let's see what the after dirty paw looks like. She's like, no. Well, I guess that's the after. This one looked like this one. Yeah, you're dirty. You rode into dirt. Go ahead, wipe your paw. Come here. What do you think about that, Indy? She's like, I don't know how I feel about any of this. But we're getting the dirt off. And you don't have to have a bath. Isn't that good? Look how dirty that is. That's crazy. Look. Hey, it works. It definitely works. You want proof? That's proof. That works. There you go. I don't know if you can see the dirt as well in here as we could outside with the dirt that Indy had. But you can see Memphis's leg looks a lot whiter than it just did. These are great. They're great for camping. They're great if you're out doing stuff with your dog and they roll around in the dirt or they get all sandy and things like that. You can easily just wipe them down. Another nice thing is you can actually use them to wipe off your own hands as well. There's nothing in these that are not safe for you either, which is great. If it's safe for us, it's safe for you, right? Say yeah. But yeah, it comes with 100 wipes in a pack, which is really nice. I know. Has a little click top, and then they will stay nice and wet. Pro tip as well, if you end up using these, and like you open them and you're like, oh no, I haven't used them in so long, and they're dry. Add a little bit of water in here, and they'll come right back to life. The main ingredient in them is water. So literally, just add a little bit of water, they'll come right back to life. What do you think? Do we recommend this? Say, we recommend this.